How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the HBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we're doing a POV drive on this 2016 Porsche Boxster GTS. So before I go ahead and talk about more of the features on this Boxster GTS, let's go ahead and put this thing in Sport Plus. You can see there, this thing is already ready to go. I really love the Carmine red face on the tachometer. You have really nice red stitching along the interior of the vehicle. You also have this red outline on the seatbelt. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see that the red stitching is all over the interior of this vehicle. So this vehicle does come with a 3.4 liter flat six engine that produces 330 horsepower. And in a car this light, this thing is actually pretty quick. Pair that with the awesome 7-speed PDK transmission, and you have an awesome combination in this Boxster GTS. Let's go ahead and put this thing in manual. Put downshift. This thing sounds fantastic. You also get these really nice seats with the GTS embroidered on the seat that is finished in leather, as well as that suede Alcantara material. This thing is such a blast to drive. It handles really well. These cars are super fun to drive. The power band is super linear with this thing. It just seems to keep on pulling throughout the rev range. This 3.4 liter flat six engine is fantastic. Not to mention, this engine sounds really good. So you can get the Boxster GTS option in either the 7-speed PDK transmission, or you can even get it in a 6-speed manual. And I feel like either way you go, you get a really good car nonetheless. This vehicle also does have adaptive sport suspension, which is why it's able to ride and take turns so well. Here you have it, the 2016 Porsche Boxster GTS. As you can see, it is finished in this awesome yellow paint. You have these 20-inch satin black wheels that look really good on this car and really complement the yellow paint. You also have awesome red painted brake calipers. You have the GTS badge right there by the door, and of course you have the mid-engine layout of this vehicle with that 3.4 liter flat six engine that sounds really good. You have a Boxster GTS badge here on the back of the car. Rear end profile of this vehicle looks super nice. So now let's hop into the vehicle and let's do a little bit more driving. So this vehicle does have 3 drive modes. You have normal, sport, and sport plus. And you put it in sport plus, it actually opens up the exhaust valves and you're able to hear that 3.4 liter flat six engine a little bit better. Also want to point out this car does have cup holders, so this vehicle is certified to be a pretty good daily driver, considering it does have 2 cup holders for you. So that pretty much wraps it up for this POV drive of this 2016 Porsche Boxster GTS. If you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle, all the links will be down in the description below for you to get all the information you need on this Boxster GTS. Thank you for watching, and if there's any other POV drives you'd like to see on this channel or any other videos, make sure to comment down below and we'll be sure to make that happen. We'll see you guys in the next video.